Losing weight can feel like a big challenge, but it doesn't have to be a struggle. It's about making small, healthy changes in your lifestyle. One of the most important, what you eat. Food is fuel for your body. Choosing healthy options can help you lose weight and feel amazing. Ready to start your journey to a healthier you? Let's go! So, what are the best foods for weight loss? Think fresh and natural. Load up on fruits and vegetables. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Choose lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. They keep you feeling full and satisfied. Opt for whole grains like brown rice and quinoa. They provide long-lasting energy. You've probably heard of macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. These are the primary nutrients that our bodies need in large amounts to function properly. They're essential for our bodies and play a crucial role in weight loss, muscle building, and overall health. Aim for a balanced intake of all three to ensure your body gets the necessary nutrients. Think of it like a three-legged stool. Each leg is equally important for balance. Without one, the stool would topple over. Focus on healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are not only delicious, but also beneficial for your body. They're good for your heart, help reduce bad cholesterol, and keep you feeling full and satisfied longer. Section 4. Portion control. Finding your perfect plate. Portion control is key to weight loss. It's about eating the right amount of food for your body. Use smaller plates and bowls. This can trick your brain into thinking you're eating more. Listen to your body's hunger cues. Eat when you're truly hungry and stop when you're comfortably full. Section 5. The power of hydration, quenching your body's thirst. Water is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. It helps you feel full, boosts your metabolism, and flushes out toxins. Aim to drink 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Carry a water bottle with you as a reminder. Jazz up your water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Section 6. A day on your plate. Sample meal plan. This section will guide you through a balanced day of eating. Here's a simple meal plan to get you started, designed to be nutritious and easy to follow. Breakfast. Start your day with a hearty bowl of oatmeal, topped with fresh berries, and a sprinkle of nuts for added crunch and nutrients. Lunch? Enjoy a refreshing salad with your choice of grilled chicken or fish, packed with protein and essential vitamins. Dinner. For dinner, savor a delicious salmon fillet paired with a variety of roasted vegetables, providing a wholesome end to your day. Snacks. Keep your energy up with healthy snacks like Greek yogurt, a handful of almonds, or a piece of fresh fruit. Remember, this is just a sample plan. It's important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. You can adjust it to your own preferences and dietary needs. Feel free to swap ingredients or meals to suit your taste and lifestyle. Section 7. Stay the course. Consistency is key. You've got this. Remember, it's not just about starting strong, but about maintaining that momentum every single day. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a race. It's about the small, consistent efforts that add up over time. Focus on making sustainable changes to your eating habits. Choose whole foods, plan your meals, and stay hydrated. Don't be afraid to indulge in your favorite treats occasionally. Moderation is key. Celebrate your progress. Enjoy the journey and the little victories along the way. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. Track your progress and stay motivated. Stay positive, stay consistent, and you'll achieve amazing results. You've got this. Keep pushing forward, and remember, every effort counts.